Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. In the heart of summer, the mercury can rise sharply. It's hot, humid, and we try to find ways to keep cool and hydrated. I already posted a few beverage recipes with you, like homemade lemonade, Vietnamese iced coffee, agua de Jamaica, and here's another delicious one for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my lemon iced tea. This one is among my favorites. It's so refreshing and very easy to make. Plus, you can adjust it to your liking. I'm telling you, this is the perfect beverage when it's very hot outside. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large measuring cup, we'll place 5 bags of black tea, but you can always substitute with orange pickle. And then we'll pour in 3 cups of boiling water. We'll let them steep for 6 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like yours. I steep mine for 8 minutes. So when time is up, we'll gently squeeze the tea bags to extract the most flavor. You don't have to, but why not? And we'll discard them. Next, we'll transfer the hot liquid into a large pitcher. When hot and cold are mixed together, I prefer using plastic instead of a glass pitcher, just in case. Now we'll add granulated sugar and stir until it's dissolved. To this, we'll pour in cold distilled water and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll stir again, taste and adjust if needed, cover, and transfer to the fridge for 3 hours or until chilled. And my friends, this is our lemon iced tea. With only a few simple ingredients, it's very easy to make. Flavorful and so refreshing, this is a great cold beverage to quench your thirst this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!